Are you tired of pursuing the person you're interested in, only to be left feeling rejected and unfulfilled? What if I told you there were psychological tricks you could use to make her chase you instead? In this video, we'll be diving into some powerful tactics that will not only pique her interest, but have her actively pursuing you in no time. The last one is the most important and will surprise you, so don't forget to watch the video until the end. So, are you ready to learn the secrets to becoming irresistible to the one you desire? Let's get started. But first, I want to clarify that these secret tricks are not meant to manipulate or deceive anyone. They're simply techniques that can help you create a sense of attraction and desire in the person you're interested in. So, use them wisely. Number 1. The law of scarcity. The law of scarcity is a psychological principle that states that people are more attracted to things that are rare or in limited supply. You can apply this principle to your dating life by creating a sense of scarcity around yourself. This can be done by not always being available, not always responding to messages immediately, and not always being the one to initiate conversations or plans. This will make her wonder about your availability and make her more likely to chase after you. Number 2. Positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement is a powerful tool in psychology that can be used to modify behavior. It involves rewarding someone for desired behavior, which increases the likelihood of that behavior being repeated. In the dating world, you can use positive reinforcement to make her chase you by rewarding her when she shows interest in you. This can be as simple as complimenting her when she gives you a compliment or showing enthusiasm when she suggests plans. By positively reinforcing her interest in you, she'll be more likely to continue chasing after you and investing more in the relationship. Number 3. Reciprocity. The principle of reciprocity states that people tend to reciprocate both positive and negative actions towards them. In other words, if you do something nice for someone, they're more likely to do something nice for you in return. You can use this principle to your advantage by doing small favors for her or going out of your way to do something thoughtful or considerate. This can create a sense of obligation on her part, and she may feel more inclined to chase after you and invest in the relationship. Number 4. Confidence. Confidence is key when it comes to attracting others. People are naturally drawn to those who exude confidence and self-assurance. This is why it's important to project confidence in all of your interactions with her. One way to do this is by maintaining strong eye contact, speaking clearly and confidently, and being assertive in your actions and decisions. By projecting confidence, you'll be more attractive to her, and she'll be more likely to chase after you. Number 5. Mystery. Finally, creating a sense of mystery around yourself can be a powerful tool in making her chase you. This can be done by revealing little pieces of information about yourself over time, rather than giving everything away up front. You can also create mystery by doing unexpected things, like surprising her with a spontaneous date or taking her to a unique location. By keeping her guessing and creating a sense of intrigue, she'll be more likely to chase after you and invest in the relationship. Bonus tip. Remember that you must always put yourself first. If you put a woman first, it's over. A woman will lose respect for you. The truth is that a woman wants to enter a man's life. She expects you to be the one to lead her. She will always prefer if you are the one to lead her and make decisions. Remember that. Women hate it when a man is indecisive. Be a strong tree that she can lean on. Remember to use these psychological tricks responsibly and with respect. Building a healthy and happy relationship should always be the ultimate goal, and these tricks can simply be used as tools to create attraction and desire. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and hit subscribe button. See you next time.